If you are using a Mac today, you might have noticed something strange. A notification just pop up that says background security improvements, and your Mac is up to date, followed by your version number has a tiny letter A in parentheses next to it. Welcome to the era of macOS Tahoe and its brand new background security improvement system. Today, I am showing you where this hidden menu lives and why this specific patch is a big deal for your privacy. In previous versions of the Mac operating system, we had something called Rapid Security Response. Apple has now evolved that into BSI, short for Background Security Improvements. Think of this as a digital strike team. Instead of downloading a massive 4 GB file and waiting 20 minutes for your computer to restart, Apple can now push tiny surgical patches directly to the core of the system. It is faster, lighter, and much harder for hackers to keep up with. If you go to your normal software update window, it will likely tell you that your Mac is up to date. To actually see what is happening, you have to dig a little deeper. Open your system settings and click on Privacy and Security. Scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you will see a new section labeled Background Security Improvements. If you see version 26.3.1 followed by a lowercase a in brackets, your Mac has already protected itself. So what did this specific A update actually fix? It addresses a critical flaw in WebKit, which is the engine that powers Safari. This flaw is officially known as CVE-2026-20643. Essentially, a malicious website could have tricked your browser into sharing data from your other open tabs. This means if you had a banking tab open while browsing a sketchy site, your data was at risk. This background update closes that door instantly. There is one thing you need to watch out for. Because these updates are designed to be silent, they can sometimes trigger an abrupt restart if you have automatic installs turned on. Users are reporting that the Mac may give you a very short warning before rebooting to apply the patch. If you're in the middle of a big video render or an important call, make sure you save your work frequently when you see that A version appear in your notifications. Apple is getting much more aggressive with security in Tahoe, and honestly, it is a welcome change. It keeps us safe without the headache of long downtime. If this video helped you understand that mystery letter next to your version number, hit that like button. Stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.